Hi everyone. So you've already done K1. This video is for K2. Really, if you know how to do K1, you probably don't even need to watch this video. It's just you're going back the other way. Instead of writing or instead of making a graph from an inequality, you're just going to write an inequality from a graph. So it's actually pretty easy. I'm just going to give you a few examples and then we'll go from there. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of my face here. Yay, that's always a good thing. Okay, so let's say that what you have, so you have a number line that you're looking at, and I don't know, I only care about one number. Let's say it's a 3. And I'm going to use red even though they won't have red. Let's say that there's a circle right there. So if there's a circle on the 3, you already know that it's going to be either a greater than or a less than, because there's no equal to. If it was filled in, it would be equal to. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to say x. This is what we're putting into IXL, x. And then we need to see which way it goes. And let's say this one goes to the right. So that would be a greater than. So we would say x goes to the right. So we're going to say greater than, points the same way as this does. Okay, points the same way. And then the only number we care about is right here, 3. So x is greater than 3. And that would be how we would write an inequality from a graph. All right, let's go ahead and do another one. Let's say we're looking at this one, and I don't know, let's throw a negative number on there, -2. All right, and let's say that this one's filled in. All right, so now we know that there's going to be a line. We already know there's going to be a line underneath the greater than or equal to sign. I don't know which one it is, greater than or equal to yet. But I know there's going to be a line because it's part of the equal sign. So I'm just going to go ahead and say this going to be equals going to be in there. Okay, and I'm going to turn this into a different color here in a second. All right, let's say this one goes to the left. So that tells me which way it points. All right, points that direction. Okay, so again, you always start off with x. Okay, and the only number I care about is that -2. So now I'm going to turn this into a less than. So I've got equal to or less than. So that's what it looks like right there, less than or equal to. And that one takes care of that one for IXL. I think you get the idea. If you have any questions, just let me know.